Let's talk about some reactions of aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid given in the worksheet. So this is for aldehyde. When aldehyde is oxidized by an oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate, it is converted to a carboxylic acid. When a ketone is oxidized, no reaction. Just like what you observe in the lab, ketones are not easily oxidized. For the reduction, so this is an aldehyde, this is a propanal, a 3-carbon aldehyde. Reduction involves hydrogen and a catalyst, nickel. Aldehyde, when reduced, will form alcohol. Okay, so this is a 3-carbon alcohol. This is a 1-propanol. A ketone, when reduced, this part here will become an OH, so you will have an isopropyl alcohol or 2-propanol. When an aldehyde is reacted with an alcohol, you form a hemiacetal. So this aldehyde group, this carbonyl group will become an OH, and this portion will attach to the carbonyl carbon. So etong grupo na to, itong pulang ito, this is coming from the alcohol. You call this hemiacetal. Take note, this used to be the carbonyl carbon. Meron siyang attached na OH, H, at saka etong portion of the alcohol. When it's a ketone reacted with an alcohol, you form a hemiketal. Take note, if it is a ketone, this double bond O here will become an OH. Okay, you have there a CH3, and this alcohol will connect to the carbonyl carbon in this region. Okay, so this is the alcohol part coming from this. Ito yun. Now, with carboxylic acid, when carboxylic is reacted with an alcohol, you form an ester. This is an acetic acid, an alcohol, ethyl alcohol. You form an ester, ethyl acetate. This is the alcohol group. This is from the carboxylic acid group, and this is the ester linkage. With acetic acid and 1-butanol, another ester is formed. Okay. Butyl group. This is butyl acetate. Okay, this one gives the smell of the plastic balloon smell, and this one is a banana flavor.